psychic power you need. You need your intuition is your guardian. It will tell you about danger ahead, even though you don't even know why you suddenly don't want to drive there. Or suddenly you want to check your car exhaust. Suddenly you want to check the brakes, even though you have just had them repaired. Suddenly you don't want to talk to that person anymore. Suddenly you don't want to contact this and that person. This is your intuition voice guiding you in your life, especially after initiation and taking the 5 precepts. Your intuition is getting sharper and sharper all the time to protect you. And this intuition is also necessary so that heaven can contact you. It's like a channel for protection, for message. You see, even sometimes the angels want to tell you things, but you're blocked because of alcohol and drugs. So the channel is blocked. Even if the channel is not blocked, you don't understand a thing that they're saying. Your intuition doesn't get it. Yeah. Even myself, sometimes heaven gives me some messages. I have to take time, quiet down, and to sort it out, okay, the email. But it is because I have psychic power. If that is damaged, I could never. I bet you many of the masters in the past have been killed or tortured, including myself in my past lives, because they had not enough psychic power, not enough intuitive power to connect with heaven, to hear their warnings, to receive the messages of warnings. Many times I did not, and I ran into trouble. Many times I didn't sort out the messages on time. I ran into trouble. Well, luckily, those many times were not that life-threatening. Otherwise, I would not be sitting here. So even if you have psychic power, before I could contact heaven, I just knew something, but I didn't even know who gave it to me. Nowadays, I know which God, from which region of the original and beyond, give me that message. So I asked that God directly. It's better than sorting it out myself. But even then, sometimes, because of the karma, not my karma, other people's karma, it even blurs it out, and it takes me some really good time to get connected again with this God to us.